What if your income didn't depend on how many hours you worked? What if, instead of trading time for money, you built systems that could run parts of your business automatically, 24 hours a day? Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can help create automated income by replacing manual work, scaling operations, and turning technology into real cash flow. These are not gimmicks. These are real tools being used right now by entrepreneurs, creators, and digital operators to build businesses that don't rely on constant effort. If you want to work smarter, scale faster, and stop being the bottleneck in your own income, this video is for you. Welcome to Cashflow Hacker, where AI, technology, and business come together to build scalable income. This channel is not about get-rich-quick tactics. It's about systems, leverage, and automation. Here we focus on using technology instead of hustle, building infrastructure instead of shortcuts, and creating income that compounds instead of resets every month. If that sounds like the future you want, let's break down the tools. The first tool is ChatGPT, but not in the way most people think about it. Most people see ChatGPT as a writing assistant, but in business, it's much more powerful. Think of ChatGPT as your AI business brain. It can act as a marketing assistant, a sales copywriter, a customer support agent, a research analyst, a product ideation engine, and even a basic business strategist. Here are some real practical ways people use it. You can use ChatGPT to write high-converting sales pages, email sequences for lead nurturing, ad copy for paid traffic, product descriptions for online stores, scripts for YouTube videos, customer support responses. You can use it to brainstorm business models, analyze competitors, create pricing strategies, design onboarding workflows, build content calendars, generate step-by-step operating procedures. What does this mean for income? It means tasks that once required freelancers, agencies, assistants, or large blocks of your own time can now be handled instantly. This reduces expenses, speeds up execution, and increases profit margins. Instead of asking, how do I do more work? You start asking, how do I design better systems? ChatGPT doesn't replace your judgment. It multiplies it. It becomes the intelligence layer behind everything you build. This is the foundation of automated income. Thinking once, then letting systems execute repeatedly. Tool number 2 is Zapier or Make. If ChatGPT is the brain, then Zapier and Make are the nervous system of your business. These tools connect your apps together so your business runs automatically in the background. Here's what that looks like in real life. Someone fills out a form on your website. They are automatically added to your email list. They receive a welcome sequence. Their information is stored in your CRM. A task is created for follow-up, all without you touching anything. A customer makes a purchase. They receive an onboarding email. They are added to your customer database. Your delivery system is triggered. Your analytics are updated. Again, no manual work. This is how operators scale. Instead of checking emails, copying data between apps, sending the same messages repeatedly, tracking information across platforms, your systems handle it. The result is fewer errors, faster response times, lower operational cost, and dramatically reduced workload. More importantly, it removes human dependency from your income. Your business no longer stops when you log off. Automation is what turns a side hustle into a company, a solo operation into a scalable system, an effort-based income into infrastructure-based income. Zapier and Make are not productivity tools. They are business architecture tools. They allow you to design workflows once and let them run forever. That is the core of automated cash flow. Tool number 3 is Notion AI. Most businesses fail not because of lack of effort, but because of lack of structure. Notion AI turns chaos into systems. It becomes your operations hub, client management system, project tracker, content planning center, knowledge base, and process documentation platform. Instead of having spreadsheets in one place, documents in another, tasks in a third tool, notes scattered everywhere, everything lives in one organized environment. With Notion AI, you can summarize meetings automatically, Generate action plans from ideas. Create workflows from plain text. Build templates instantly. Turn messy notes into structured systems. This is how solopreneurs run like teams. This is how small businesses operate like enterprises. Why does this matter for income? Because systems are transferable. When your business is documented, you can delegate, you can automate, you can scale, you can sell. When everything exists only in your head, growth is capped. But when your processes are written, organized, and optimized, your business becomes a machine. Notion AI doesn't just store information. It transforms knowledge into repeatable operations, and repeatable operations are what create stability, predictability, and long-term cash flow. Tool number 4 is Pictory or Descript. These tools allow you to turn scripts into videos automatically. That means you don't need to be on camera. You don't need advanced editing skills. You don't need to spend hours on post-production. You write once. The system creates the content. Why does this matter for income? Because content is the engine of modern business. Content builds trust, creates authority, generates traffic, drives sales, feeds email lists, and supports every other system you build. But traditional content creation is time-intensive. You record, you edit, you re-edit, you format, you export. With tools like Pictory and Descript, scripts become videos. Videos become shorts. Shorts become traffic. Traffic becomes leads. Leads become customers. Instead of manually producing content, you build a content machine. This allows you to publish consistently, repurpose at scale, reach multiple platforms, and grow without burning out. You're no longer creating individual videos. You are designing a distribution system. And once distribution is automated, income becomes predictable, scalable, and independent of daily effort. This is how digital operators turn attention into assets. Tool number 5 is Shopify combined with AI automation. This is where everything converts into revenue. With the right setup, you can automate product descriptions, customer support, email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, upsells and cross-sells, order processing. Whether you sell digital products, subscriptions, services, consulting, or physical goods, your store becomes a system, not a job. Instead of manually answering every customer question, writing every product description, sending every follow-up email, handling every process yourself, AI handles execution. Your role becomes strategy, optimization, system design. This is the difference between working in your business and building a business. When sales, support, and fulfillment are automated, income no longer depends on your availability. That's not just convenience. That's leverage. A business that can sell without you present is no longer tied to your time. That is what makes income scalable, sellable, and sustainable. Individually, these tools are powerful, but the real breakthrough happens when they operate as a connected system. Here's what a modern cash flow engine looks like. ChatGPT creates your content, messaging, and strategy. Notion AI organizes your operations and documentation. Zapier or Make automates workflows across your business. Pictory or Descript distributes your ideas as content. Shopify converts attention into revenue. Each tool handles a different layer of the business. Thinking, organization, automation, distribution, monetization. This is not hustle. This is architecture. You're not asking, how do I work harder? You're asking, how do I build something that runs without me? When systems are in place, income becomes repeatable, growth becomes predictable, and effort becomes optional. This is how modern operators build digital infrastructure. Not side hustles, not burnout businesses, but scalable cash flow systems. If you want to build income with systems, not hustle, subscribe to Cashflow Hacker. In the description below, you'll find links to every tool mentioned in this video, along with a free resource to help you start building your own AI-powered cash flow system. This channel is about turning technology into leverage. Work smarter, scale faster, and build income that doesn't depend on your time. This is where systems become cash flow.
Thank you for watching, and remember to like, follow, and subscribe if you'd like to see more cash flow hacks.